So we back at it. Had to demolish the roof. Still got to get rid of some of this stuff over here. But this is what I did today. Took out the porch roof. Cutting out this last wall over here, finishing it up. We just started framing the inside walls. I think there's gonna be a bedroom. This right here area is gonna be the living room. We got a den over here and some stairs that's gonna lead upstairs. And this is gonna be the kitchen part over here. And this will be the laundry room, entryway to the back door. And this will be the master bedroom. And this will be the master bathroom. So yeah, we getting it done. Stay tuned for the follow-up.